I just got this crazy jack. It's a powered one. It's going to replace this one because this one's pretty much impossible to use with the box there. So
it's kind of like a trolling motor.
I seem to have lost my impact driver. It's not in my truck. Ah, I know where it's at.
There's the big one, looking for the little one, which is right here. With a dead battery. Here's Amber. And what's he doing?
Okay, so powered jack installed. That was really quick. All in all, it probably took 5 minutes, but only because I had to go find the tools. Very simple. Unbolt this one and bolt that one down in the same spot. And I mean, on this trailer it's pretty far off the ground, but this is adjustable, unlike the old one. So it should be nice. The only thing is I have to put it needs a battery, but what I'm going to do is I will put a jump box in this bin, and then that'll act as our battery. Because I always need a jump box anyways. Now I'll put the jump box in there. Ooh, it's got a light. How cool is that? It lifted the trailer. Yay. Because this one didn't even lift the trailer. It was so horrible. But anyways, this is, I don't know, whatever that brand is, Bastion. It's only a 3,500 pounds, so I got the smaller one, but it was really cheap. $60 maybe.